Hanji is a traditional Korean paper that has been used for centuries for various purposes. Made from the inner bark of mulberry trees, Hanji is known for its strength, durability, and resistance to water and insects. Its unique qualities make it an ideal material for restoration and conservation of cultural properties. We will explore the benefits of Hanji in cultural property restoration, and examples of successful restoration projects around the world. Why Hanji is a good material for restoration of cultural properties. Hanji is an excellent material for restoration of cultural properties because of its strength, flexibility, and longevity. It is resistant to water and insects, which is crucial in preserving delicate artifacts and structures. Hanji is also easily moldable, allowing it to conform to the shape of the object being restored. Additionally, Hanji is an eco-friendly material, as it is made from renewable resources and is biodegradable. Examples of Hanji in cultural property restoration. A. Louvre Museum in Paris. Hanji has been used in the restoration of artifacts at the Louvre Museum in Paris. Kim Minjung, a cultural asset restorer based in Paris, has used Hanji to restore and preserve delicate artifacts at the museum, including 18th-century paintings by Jean-Honoré Fragonard, Charles Gabriel Lemonnier and 16 more painters. B. Chartulla in Vatican, Italy. The National Center for the Conservation and Restoration of Documentary Heritage (ICPAL) in Rome has made use of Hanji in the restoration of several cultural assets. According to the Korean Cultural Center in Italy, ICPAL was able to revive 5 major cultural assets, including Italy's precious relic Chartulla, in late 2016 using Hanji. Chartulla is a particularly significant cultural property as it contains the handwritten prayers of Saint Francis, a Catholic saint who lived 800 years ago. In addition to the restoration of Chartulla, ICPAL has also recently restored 2 other cultural properties using Hanji. C. Bulguksa Temple in South Korea. One of the most famous examples of Hanji in cultural property restoration is at the Bulguksa Temple in South Korea. The temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to numerous artifacts and structures that required restoration. Hanji was used to reinforce the wooden support beams in the temple's main hall, as well as to restore delicate paintings. D. Haeinsa Temple in South Korea. Another notable example of Hanji in cultural property restoration is at the Haeinsa Temple, also located in South Korea. Hanji was used to repair and restore ancient Buddhist scriptures, which were written on fragile sheets of paper. The unique properties of Hanji allow the paper to be restored without damaging the delicate ink on the pages. Hanji is a unique and versatile material that has been used for centuries in Korea for a variety of purposes. Its strength, durability, and resistance to water and insects make it an ideal material for restoration and conservation of cultural properties. Examples of successful restoration projects around the world demonstrate the effectiveness of Hanji in preserving our cultural heritage for future generations. Thank you for watching. For more information about Korean traditional culture, please visit our channel.